Hi everyone, welcome back to Ponderosa Garden Adventures. On today's Garden 20, we are going to be pruning these two bushes, a hibiscus and a potato bush. And it's end of February, so we want to get these down low right at the start of the growing season so they'll burst out and grow all summer long. So let's get started. We're going to move this little planter here eventually, but it's very heavy. We need to move the soil first. So we're going to work around it today.
This one's already starting to flower.
Another one of my favorite cigar products.
Give this avocado tree a little space. Oh, I found one of Finn's BALL. Hey. Finn, it landed right in a pocket of the Finn. Well, I tell you what, if we need any plant supports, these thicker stems from the potato bush are pretty straight. Look at that. That would be a great plant support. I'm going to make a little pile.
Hi everyone. Well, that took a little bit more than 20 minutes. That was going to be my garden 20 today, but it actually took well over an hour. I'll slap a clock on that and we'll see how long it actually took. But we got the job done. There was a lot more growth in there than I expected. So I cleared out the middle, chopped off the top, shaped a little, and got the undergrowth here. Sharon did the same on the potato bush. We got one more potato bush down there. Be done. That shouldn't take long, but I am done for the day. You can probably do the garden tour without cutting that. I think it looks great, but we'll see. Anyway, thanks for joining us here on Ponderosa Garden Adventures. We will see you next time.